Hello everyone out there, and welcome to the channel and welcome back if you already be here. My day yesterday be a little hectic, so I not really can make a video, but I'm back now. I have a kitchen who mess up. It looks like I think the war in Russia. It really needs to clean up, so now I will fill up the dishwasher, and so I will start to prepare my simple food for tonight. I hope you like to follow, and who knows what the weekend brings. Or put into the oven, so you don't need to scrub and rub so much after when you have to clean it. I have bought this one. It's frozen potatoes. They are from the factory. Put in oil a little so they're nice and crispy when you not cook, but when I put it into oven. And that I will make for today. I think that's enough for tomorrow too. So I have to eat the potatoes when it's cold tomorrow. So I need my little pot and my little pan, because I only make beef for me. So that's enough with a small one. Some years ago I buy the gadgets, and that's the best gadgets I ever buy. That's for transform the beef. For a round one I only pay in my money 20 Danish kroner for it. I think it's 4, 5, 6 years since I buy it. I have it lots of years. Now it's be round, and there's no leak here outside, so the juice run out. I will see. Perfect. Now I will take my yellow sauce here, and then I will warm up too. It's a Finnish sauce from the factory. Normally I will prefer to make this sauce by myself, but the price here is so much expensive for all stuff here. For butter, for eggs, for milk, for meat, potatoes, everything. That's the sauce. Back to the beef. As always, I like to have the salt on, and I first put the salt on the meat short before I use it, because if you do it a long time before, the salt takes all the water out, all the juice out of the meat, and it becomes dry when you cook it. Pepper you can put on when you like. That's it, and I put on the other side too when the pan is warm. Now the yellow sauce, the bearnaise sauce, starts to bubble, so it's never finished. Cannot eat. That's how it looks when it's finished to eat. Here you've got my yellow sauce. That was all from now. I hope we see each other again much soon. I will say thanks for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It's important. What's important for me and what's important for the video too, so others can have benefit from the video. If you like, subscribe under here, and it's absolutely free. It costs nothing to subscribe, and you can change your mind later if you want that. Thanks for today. Time for knockout. Bye.